Welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're talking about the importance of collect all and save. Okay, so here I have a blank project and I'm just going to pull in some samples. All right, we got a happy project, got our samples in there, and I'm just going to save and close out Ableton. When you don't collect all and save, if you go and move your samples, or if you don't do it and you send your project to somebody else who doesn't have those samples in the same folder you have them in, then Ableton can't access them. So now I'm going to move all my samples onto my desktop. Okay, now that I did that, I'm going to open up Ableton again, and you'll see that all of our clips are offline. This happens because Ableton will be referencing that sample folder, looking for the files, and they won't be there. There's all our clips, and it says sample offline. So we need to find those. So I'll look down here at this little red area, click on that, and it shows us our missing files. I'm just going to do an automatic search because I know they'll find them in the desktop. There they all are. Yay, we didn't lose all of our work. Okay, now I'm going to do it again and make sure to collect all and save. Hit OK, and what that does is it saves all of those tracks, all of those clips into this exact project. So I'm going to move them all back. Close that out. Be sure to collect all and save if you're working off of the same session with another producer or if you're uploading a live set for someone to download. And there they all are. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we could talk about next.